Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips. Okay, let's get started on today's Excel tip. Hello Excelers, welcome to my next video. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you a really quick way to remove blank cells from your Excel spreadsheet. Now these could have been left from a previous data tidy up, delete some cell values, and this is a really quick way to realign your data and tidy it up. So here's a sample data set. I've got some blank cells that have been left. Select your cells, go to the Home tab, and then find and select and go to Special. That'll bring up the Go to Special dialog box. Once you've done that, select blanks, hit OK, and all of the blank cells within the range you've selected will be highlighted. The next stage, right click, hit delete, and confirm how you want to delete these cells. So I actually want to shift cells left once they've been deleted, so I'll hit OK, and you can see that my data has been realigned to the left. Let's just reset that. If you're a person who likes shortcuts rather than going Home tab and the editing group, then you can hit Control and G. This brings up the Go To and then the Go To dialog box, and then to go to the Special it's Alt and S, which brings you straight back to this same dialog box. Select your blanks, hit OK, right click, delete, shift cells left. Both produce the same effect. One uses the ribbon tabs, the other uses the shortcuts. I hope you enjoyed that tip. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll see you next time, hopefully, for another How to Excel at Excel.com video.